Right, it is 4:15 in the morning. I just got off work, so I'm going to bring you to my favourite place in the county and we're going to watch the sunrise. Right, so it's 20 to 5 there now. It's getting a little bit brighter. I don't know if you can see it, but this is the Rock of Laois. Let's check it out. This spot here is usually where you catch on a clear day a really nice sunset. So like from what I can gather is this square in here is like where everyone lived and like ate and everything went on, and then you have this what I imagine was an outside wall that ran like the whole way around, and like this is the bit that's left. You can even see there's little walkways on the tops of those walls here, and there's even, you can make out like a little stairs on this one here, and I can imagine that's where they defended from, where they shot their arrows or threw rocks or whatever they defended themselves with in times of attack. Yeah, it's a pretty neat spot. I like it a lot.
I like it a lot.
Right, so unfortunately I think there is a bit too much cloud. I just don't think we're going to get a clear sunrise, but I am still going to put up the drone because I want to give you a proper look around at this pretty awesome place.
Where do we go from? Where do we go from here? No one can save us from keeping clear. I don't wanna lose you, I don't wanna lose you now. 'Cause there is only one thing on my mind. Hey, I just wanna see you on my new grave. Hey, I just wanna see you on my new grave.
It's really not the morning I was hoping for. It's actually getting even more cloudy and misty. But look, that's the look of the draw in Ireland really, isn't it? You just get out there and you hope that the weather stays fine. It's still a savage spot. I still find it weird that people lived here, and that like this could have been someone's like hall, like into their kitchen, and now it's a ruin and I just get to walk around it. I still find that strange. I also noticed that I like, in a lot of the videos I like hold the camera like here, when that's probably a lot more pleasing to watch. Also, it was actually my parents that pointed out to me, I was chewing a lot of chewing gum in my other videos, and that was probably quite distracting. Two things I'm going to start doing: holding the camera like this and stop chewing gum. Also, to actually tell you where I am, so this is the Rock of Laois in Laois. Yeah, you should definitely come check it out. Definitely. Right, and on that note, I am going home to bed. It is 25 to 6 and the caffeine is wearing off. I'm kind of getting a bit tired, so I'm sorry that we didn't get a nice sunrise, but I hope you enjoyed checking out the Rock of Laois, and I hope to see you next week. Yeah, any recommendations of where I should go, drop them in the comment section below, and yeah, I'll catch you in the next one.